Hi, welcome to another installment of My Garage with Dave. Anyway, if you've been following, I've been putting Healey together. The roof's on. I'm still missing a few snaps, so while I'm waiting for those and some other parts, I'm going to put the seats together, following the instructions, and we'll do a walk around of the car here in a second and look at the seats. Anyway, got the roof on, looks pretty good. Still stretching out. Can't wait till I can get it out in the sun, maybe in a couple of days. And need to make one of these straps. It holds the bars together here. Found one, so we'll be making a second one for that. And yeah, it looks pretty good in there. So I'll be taking this down when I fit the seats. Here's the seats. I reading the instructions here. I've got the donor seat sliders here. I got those cleaned up and painted, so I'll put those on and let's see how it fits in there. Well, I've already run into a problem here. The seat sliders, there we can see it in there, are about, an inch and a half too long. So, let's see, I'll pull that down to there. Still too long. So, what I think I'll do is trim off one of the ends and drill a hole in it. So, let's see how that goes. What I decided to do was just drill a hole inward, leave it intact, and they had these little dimples at front and rear. So I just used the dimple, and it'll give me enough room to put those in. I'll just leave those hanging off the back. So anyway, see how we do here. I'll square them up, square the holes up now, and go from there. Now on the seats, the bottom of the seats, fiberglass seats, were flat, and the seat sliders are curved. So I was digging around my metal pile and trying. I was gonna cut some 5/8 pipe and stuff, and lo and behold, I look in the nut and bolt box came with the car, and these are in there, and they were for if you want to put the seat in one position without the sliders. So anyway, I used these on each four corners of the seat, and they worked out perfect. So now the seat can slide back and forth, and I thought they were what am I thinking of? Chevy Chevette, but I got to looking at the little trim pieces here, and they must have came out of the Mustang too, because it says Ford, not Chevy. So anyway, now I know what I got there. So anyway, back to installing the seats. Okay, got the holes drilled. Got the seat sitting there bolted down. So we'll have to let the boss get home tonight and see how it fits her. And I had a sprint car wheel that I just tried in here, 4-spoke, but it's quite a bit bigger, so I have to look for a better steering wheel. So looking pretty good. Hey, had good news. Found a home for the 4-spoke sprint wheel. It's going to go on the new Gulman World Tour car. So he's putting together a 28 Roadster pickup, and he needed a steering wheel. So anyway, let's go on that. I helped Chris with his VW. I can't remember. It's a little station wagon. I can't remember what they call those things. Anyway, that was the first World Tour car. So anyway, it found a home. And remember, please like and subscribe. Thanks.